Chioma, I just decided not to involve myself in matters that concerns you. Because of late, you developed ugly wings. But what do? I'm still your mother. That's if you believe.
There was never a time I said you're not my mother.
Will you just allow me to land before forcing words out of my mouth? I know you're an independent woman with powers, so you can talk when I'm talking.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I'm all ears.
It's okay, no need apologizing. That's by the way. There was this thing David told me about your strife with Nkechi. Why did you fight her?
Mother, God will punish Nkechi. God will punish her for trying to truncate the little happiness that I managed to find after dumping that idiot that calls himself smart.
Would you mind telling me how she did that?
Well, Mother, sorry about what I'm about to say, and I know you're not going to really like it, but you have to find a place in your heart and accept it for the way it is.
Why are you apologizing before saying whatever you want to say? Just save the apology and tell me whatever it is.
I am in love with Udoka.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, Mother, I'm very sure.
By the way, which Udoka are you talking about?
Nkechi's father.
Nkechi's father?
Yes.
What? Are you insane? Mother, you slapped me! Have you lost it? Chioma, will you get out of my sight before I do something stupid? Get out of my sight before I do something stupid! What? Chioma! Chioma! Have you seen it? That is it. That is it. That's the wisdom you are the cause of this. You caused this. When I was begging you, pleading with you to come so that we would join hands together and groom Chioma, you refused. Have you seen where it has landed her?
Oh, Victoria. Victoria, I have seen that you were sent so that I will be suspended in air of restlessness. I thought they said retirement is a trunk of rest, but I am not getting it anywhere. I am not getting rest.
What rest are you talking about when you have used your hands to scatter and destroy all we joined hands to build together?
What are you talking about? What on earth did I scatter even? Oh my goodness. Henceforth, I will begin to fine-tune ways of escape. Maybe I can travel to Cameroon, I can go to Togo, I can go to Germany, anywhere in the world, as long as I'm out of this space.
Dr. Wisdom, this is not a shouting matter. Something terrible has happened. As we speak now, our daughter, Chioma, she has done something disgusting. Very, very disgusting.
And what is that?
Chioma is sleeping and dating someone twice her age, Chief Udoka.
Wait a minute. Udoka? The palace secretary?
He is the one. He is the reason Chioma dumped Smart, the young, handsome man that proposed to her to date a man thrice her age.
Hey! Is Chioma under an influence or something?
I don't know.
Is she bewitched? Where is she? Hey! Hey! Hey!
Why are you so stubborn? I warned you to examine your decision, but then you wouldn't listen.
Is that why you had to go and tell Mom what I confided in you? You are such a weakling.
If you insult me, I will dare the consequence and beat the devil out of this your stupid head.
Oh, please get out. Look at this Homo sapien. Beat me! Beat me now! Beat me! Idiot! I was so silly to have believed in you in the first place. I should have known that you're my half-brother. You don't have my interest at heart.
Chioma, are you the one vomiting this nonsense? You're calling me half-brother just because I told Mom something that will save your life and save this family from impending embarrassment. This noble family, you want to put our name to shame.
Look at who is saving somebody. Look at your life. No, take a good look at your life. Are you a 60? Do you breathe to your nostrils? Because at this point, I think you breathe to your anus. Look at you. You're trying to save me. Your mates are out there having kids. Building up empires for themselves. Having a family. But what you have? Nothing. Whether you like it or not, I will continue to fall in love with Chief Udoka and nobody will stop me.
You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be very ashamed of yourself. You're mentioning that old man's name, Chief Udoka. Young ladies your age, they're aspiring to be with young boys that have things, have substance, have money, have investment. But then you choose an old man that can die anytime, that doesn't have anything, no money, no noble name, nothing. That's what a fine girl like you choose. Oh. Look at you. Look at you. I had this high standards. I was looking at you. I was thinking probably you're seeing things the way I see things. You are falling in love with an old man. When you go like tomorrow or next, he's dead.
Look at you. No, come back. Let me talk to you as a learned person. Because as far as I am concerned, you're nothing but an illiterate graduate. You're a fool, an imbecile, a homosexualized idiot, a catastrophic bastard. That is what you are. Look at who is talking. What do you have to show for yourself? You're here living under your father's wealth.
You are calling me names.
Oh, please get out. Try it. Try it. Come Seriki Bongikita, just try it. Look at you. This is all about carrying baby. You think it's all about carrying baby? Only small argument with the woman. You're sweating like
old man.
Look at the way you're sweating like a kid. And you're falling down the away now.
I will fall. Is that old man that will actually fall?
Look at you.
Somebody that will die and live.
My baby, the one thing I like about you is that the way you give it to me is different from I love it. My love.
Yes.
How do we handle the marriages of attack from here and there? I don't know.
Now you're having a weak spirit all of a sudden.
No. It's just that you see, my BP, goes up and down when there are things like that, and that's why.
Then you take your BP drugs. If you love me, you should be able to withstand any pressure. We've talked about this a couple of times.
Okay. So I will take my BP drugs all the time. I am ready to withstand anybody that wants to disturb us. No, I will take my BP drugs, don't worry. I'm strong. As long as I love you and you love me, that's all I need.
Or you want me to drop you for a young girl?
Don't you say that again. Please don't. I am for you and you are for me. My baby. Let me collect.
I want another round.
Yes. But
to show you how wicked is Udoka, he placed my daughter under his spell and made her reject all the younger suitors that have been coming her way, including Smart, the son of Aaron, because he wants her all to himself. Is that not a wickedness to highest order? Tell me what that is, if not wickedness of first-class order.
Dr. Wisdom, I've heard you, but are you sure about what you've just said? Because if it's not true, I hope you know that is a character deformation. I hope you know that.
Romanus, I am a man of high repute. I say words the way they are. I don't say nonsense. The only one favor I'm asking from you is to go back to Udoka and warn him to stay 1,000 miles away from my daughter. Let him leave my daughter all alone.
Like I said, I will go. But like I said, if it happens that what you just said now is untrue, I hope you know what it's going to cost you. Your title and a cow. I hope you know that.
Let it cost my life. Let it cost anything. My wife. Anything you can think of. I have served this country for good 35 years. And I have never lied to anyone. I am not lying to you.
It's okay. It's okay. I believe. I accept. I will send your word to him. I will confirm, then I'll get back to you. Okay? So I have to be on my side.
I'm warning you. I am warning you.
No, you want to talk.
I'm warning you.
You want to talk. You are a foolish, senseless, stupid old man. Udoka, you are an idiot. If you had wanted to marry a second wife, why did you not marry a mature woman? You just disgrace yourself, ridicule yourself.
Because you are a shameless woman.
Small girl that is old enough to be
You are a shameless woman.
You are a shameless
I've been begging you to forget everything. It looks like you don't want to understand. You are mad.
You are mad.
You are mad.
You are mad, Udoka.
You are mad.
I'm not fear.
You think all your plans will work? You think it will work?
Look,
It has
I
failed.
regret every single moment I spent with
Your
you.
plans have failed. When last did you wake up? Oh, you wanted me to die with an enlarged portrait. Is that not what you wanted? Thunder, fire.
Thunder, fire you,
Thunder,
Udoka.
fire your
Thunder,
mama.
fire you.
Thunder, fire your father.
Thunder, fire your father, your mother. And what fear?
So you can now look face at my eyes and maybe somebody.
What can you do? The only thing you can do is to pass on that young girl. Stupid man.
She's giving me pleasure.
And what fear?
She's giving me pleasure. She's giving me pleasure.
Thunder, fire you. Stupid man. Shameless fire. Wait for me. Wait. If I tell you that I'm not disappointed when Callista told me this, then I'm a very big liar. I mean, what would Chioma be looking for in an old man's body?
Ask me, oh. Ask me, Betty. Can you imagine that this stupid girl, this mad girl, stupidly ended a marriage relationship with Smart just to hook up with my father? Bring it down. Huh? I have never seen this kind of thing in my entire life before. Never. I have not seen it, oh.
Kai, you know, I'm trying to wrap and solve this whole puzzle in my head, but without success, I'm failing. But, Nkechi, have you confronted your father about this? I mean, what is he saying?
Elizabeth, my father is under a spell.
Hey!
The truth is that they have eaten my father beyond every reservation. It's not making sense anymore. It's not making sense.
He's not supposed to. I would conclude, I mean, who won't? That your father has been given love potion. It has been mixed, maybe in his food. Who knows?
Nkechi,
Think about it.
I want to think about it, but right now, I can't even think. I'm confused. My brain, my head is blocked. I can't think about it. I don't know who has given who or what was given. I have no idea. I don't know.
This is serious.
Very serious, oh. Very serious.
It's more than serious because, I mean, so many young men are coming for her hand in marriage. So why, what is she looking for?
I don't know.
Why your father?
I don't know. If you ask me now, who will I ask? I don't know. I don't know anything.
Or she has a hidden plan. hidden agenda. Put your eyes on the floor. Look at this.
But my friend, listen. You know what I want the youth of this community to do for me?
What is it?
I want that anytime they see Chioma, they should boo her. They should beat her, call her names, bully her. That girl is a mad girl. Can you imagine living young, vibrant blood and for my old father? Hi! Is that not madness? As in, is it not crazy? I can't even try to imagine that. I didn't know that girl was useless, so I didn't know she's a fool. I wish I knew.
If you ask me, this one is more than being foolish. But you have a great plan, and I'll make sure it's a success. When all of us would have bullied and booed her, as you said,
Yes.
she will carry down her 2 left leg, reach here, run away from this village.
Thank you.
Rubbish. What
you.
insolence.
Now you're making sense.
Of course.
I've had enough.
My friend. I'm so sorry. Don't worry. I'm your friend. I'm here for you. We will fight with you to the end.
Thank you for standing by me, my friend.
Of course.
Thank you. You are my good friend. I know that if it's you, you will not meet my old father.
Chioma, because you have chosen to drag my name in the mud, I have not only disowned you, but you have been eschewed from your education ad infinitum.
I thought you were educated and enlightened. I was expecting you to call me as your daughter and ask me why I preferred an old man instead of a young folk.
You are an accursed child. A disgrace to womanhood. I'm just ashamed of you because you have no future, no vision. You are not better than a street lady.
Mom, enough of this shading and name calling. Let's find a way to disengage Chioma from that old fool who doesn't even know his age.
Watch your mouth.
You are mad and stupid. Just look at you. I expected you to beat that local urchin up. That old brat. You would not. Yes. Because Chioma here is not your direct sister. She's just your half-sister.
Mom, enough of this division and trying to bring confusion in this family. Besides, you're the one feeding Chioma with this philosophy of her half-brother. The other day I tried to advise her and she brought it up. And Dad, you did not tell me that Mama Chioma here is not my biological mother.
I'm not.
You this rookie player. You see this ember of discord that you've been fanning, you will be burnt up with it. Now get out of my sight, you Hagagamaya! Out!
Me get out of your face for what? We are equal and you know that. You're not even ashamed of yourself. Look at this uncircumcised homo sapien. You're talking to me? Raising your voice at me for what? Don't worry. I will show you something. That where you fell, I will win. I must set Chioma, my daughter, free. She will be free from all this. Just to watch and see.
Did you hear that, David?
Mom, you're calling Dad names.
Oh, shut up what you do. If you don't know, your father here is a toothless bulldog.
Dad, I blame you for all this.
A woman in a man's clothes.
Listen to me. This woman here is nothing but the size of an ant. A nincompoop, a numbskull. That's who she is.
Just look at this old fool. Because I allowed myself to be pushed by my parents in marrying you, I never for once wanted to marry you. From day one. Look at it.
Look at this couple of bandwagon. Because I took a shot of whiskey the day I decided to marry her and I made the biggest
You are a
mistake.
nincompoop. You are a nincompoop.
You are an idiot.
You are a local.
You're a scallywag.
Local urchin, I'm
That's
calling
who you
you.
are.
That's who you are.
You are a nitwit. You're a nitwit too.
Odogunwoke, Honorable, the Chief Secretary of the Palace. When Wisdom told me that, I agreed to the end. Now tell me, is it true?
Sinze, I will not lie.
It is the truth.
Guinea.
It is for real.
Oh.
You see, I still do not know what came over me. But imagine when a beautiful girl as Chioma walks up to you and says she prefers you to this young man. What will you do?
Udoka, are you saying imperatively that it was that girl that lured you or that wore you into what you did?
In the name of the oracle of this community. Yes, she did.
Eh? You would have backed at her. Or, better still, report her to her parents.
Backed at her?
Yes.
If only the willpower was there. That one is better said than done. Before I knew what was happening, just the way a python will wrap its prey before swallowing, her mouth was already in my mouth.
Hey.
She started kissing me.
And
I fell for it. Before I lost all my defenses, I didn't know.
Nze, considering your position in the society, you shouldn't have allowed that now. Eh?
I may have fallen for that temptation. But since that time, my life has never remained the same.
Right.
As I speak, I feel wanted. I feel loved. I feel invigorated. I feel like a young man again.
Chere, Udoka. Now that wisdom is calling for fire and brimstone, what do you do?
Wisdom dare not disturb the two of us because I am ready to kill anybody.
Eh?
As I speak now, this blood, it is Chioma blood that is flowing here. Flowing to here. And anybody that tries to stop the flow, I will kill that person. I am helpless. There's nothing I can do about it.
So it has gotten to that extent.
What has it gotten to? Is it a bad thing to love?
But not of that age. A girl who is old to be your daughter.
And when I went into the well, did it appear that that age was so small? My baby, you mean you just can't spare a time to manage to come out from the house to see me? I'm dying to see you.
I'm sorry, my love. You should understand. The question is, are you ready? Mount, I mean, I'm into occupation. Because I love you. I'm not just going to do so much everything.
Oh, please, are you sure you can hold on until the storm is over? I love you. I will hold on until everything is done.
Kichi, Mama, I don't know how I'm feeling. It's as if they are using hammer to hit my chest. God, I've been feeling like this since last night. Mama, I don't understand. What kind of attack is this? I don't know. I feel tired and fainty. Mama, okay. Can I at least go and call your husband? No. Just let him be. He doesn't care about me anymore. Oh, look at him. My heart. My love. My happiness. My husband.
Mama, please take it easy, please. I beg you. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please.
Yes, I love you. Trust me, I love you. I can't say it without you. What is chasing you?
Papa,
I said, what is chasing you, Nkechi?
Papa, if you wouldn't mind, please come with me.
Follow you to where?
Papa, please come with me.
Follow you to where now?
Please save my mother. Save my mother. She's complaining that they are eating her chest, her heart with a hammer.
They are hitting my wife with hammer?
Yes.
Who are they?
Yes.
Who are they? Who are they?
Papa, let's go, please.
Where?
Where are they? Your husband is here. See, Papa. Give me your right hand.
The love of my life.
My love. My heart. My happiness. I love you. No matter what happens, my heart belongs to you. Even in the life to come. I love you.
The love of my life! Wait, baby.
Yes. Papa, check. She's sleeping, right? Eh? She's sleeping, Papa. Mama.
My life is gone.
Mama, wake up.
May the gods of our lands and our ancestors receive the soul of Madam Angori.
He said, in all my lifetime, I have never seen a husband and wife that loved themselves like Udoka and his late wife Anuri.
I tell you, they never fought nor quarrel at all. In fact, their love was the Lord from heaven. Hi!
Truth to be told, Udoka has lost a rage.
I am telling you.
And the whole community at large. Did Anu resort anyone's trouble in this community throughout her lifetime? Did she?
No.
She's a woman of peace. A kind, loving person. In fact, she's a peacemaker. Hi!
Udoka. We all know how much love you have for your wife. Please, we are just here to console you.
My brother, take her.
It shall be well. It shall be well.
Take her.
Please.
Take heart. Take heart.
What beats and hurts me the most is that my mother was never sick. Or did she even complain about having any symptoms at all?
Calm down.
See, no amount of cry in this world is going to bring her back. Eh? The simple truth I'm going to tell you is to take heart. Eh? Everything is going to be fine. Eh? Please.
If you ask me, I don't even know what to say. I don't know where to start. Eh? But as for me, Calista, I will always speak nothing but the truth because it is in my anointing to speak the truth. Your father did not try.
Anointed Calista. And what is the truth you want to speak in this current and present situation? Eh? Don't you know what's going on here?
Betty, keep quiet. What are you not telling me? See, let me tell you. Wait. Are you not sure that Nkechi's mother's death is being caused by her father's elect with that trauma of a girl?
Calista! How sure are you that this thing you're saying is related?
Don't insult me. Don't start. Do you know what is heartbreak? That woman, that innocent woman, died of nothing but heart attack. I will tell you the truth. Heart attack leads to heart failure.
Doctor, Calista.
Calista may not be entirely wrong in her suspicious. Okay. My mother died of a heart attack.
Don't say this.
She could not take my father's betrayal anymore.
Sorry.
You make us start crying.
Sorry. See, everything will be fine.
Yes. And as for you, everything will be fine. Dr. Calista.
No, wait.
No. You have stabilized and concluded the source and diagnosed the source of her death. Wait here, stamp.
Okay, why are you talking like this? See, okay, imagine ordinary Elizabeth of yesterday. Because her boyfriend is busy sleeping around with people from pillar to post. What happened? The girl only feel bad. Let alone your mother.
That woman, your father is wicked. Sorry, We are here to console her. Let's console her, she's our friend.
So don't cry now.
Zip your mouth small.
Don't cry.
What's the meaning of this nonsense? Why are you following me?
Give me one good reason why. Give me one good reason why I should be following you. When you're running inside the bush, I'm sure you're going to that fool's house. When the parents are busy looking for you at home, you're here running around him. Right?
How is that your business? You know what? I rather die with you daughter than have something to do with the life of it.
For real? Guess what? You see this act of yours? I swear to God, you're going to regret it. Because your parents are going to pay me for every damn I spent on your head.
Like I said, I rather die with you.
Oh, fuck you. Yeah.
You are stupid! You are a fool! Fuck you!
I know there isn't age for this love. I know there isn't age.
How were you able to leave the house?
My parents were having some fight and issue with Smart. I had to use the opportunity and sneak out. How have you been? I heard about the death of Mama Nkechi. Please take heart.
I'm confused. The love of my life is gone. Just like that, I don't know what to do.
Do you regret loving me?
No.
Then whatever you lost in Mama Nkechi, you're going to get double of it in me. Stop crying, okay? It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
I love you. I have to hurry back before they will notice that I left the house. I love you, Papa. See you.
If I salomo, Pakubazia. If I salondo, Pakubazia. Maybe my battle say I fall in love, but this love no going back. If anybody,
Papa, I swear to God, heads will roll in this community. Heads will roll in this community if Choma's father does not pay me for every dime I spent on that their useless daughter. Head will roll.
Head will roll. Instead of you to be ashamed of yourself and cover your face in shame, that lady, that young lady dumped you, a young man for an old man. Hey! For an old man, and yet you have mouth to talk. Your mouth is wagging. Go and
is this what you're saying?
Yes.
Erondim, let's find a way to solve this problem. Now that Smart wants every dime he spent on that girl, Chioma, back. So, what do we do?
Oh, woman, don't allow this cause trouble between you and I. Do you understand me? Are you not the one encouraging him all the while? Instead of him to be ashamed, he's now wagging his tongue. The wisdom are not owing us kobo.
And who says so?
Yes.
Papa, what about the first and the second marriage rites completed by me?
Did you pay the right price?
Well, I paid nothing to that regard.
Then you have nothing to claim. All you paid was just regarded as it's not part of our community or whatsoever. It's regarded as a jamboree.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Papa, you're telling me that all the money I spent on Chioma is regarded as jamboree.
Jamboree?
Over my dead body. She's going to pay me everything. All the jamborees must be given back to me, Papa.
Is that not unfair? That is quite unfair.
Woman, what is not unfair about this? What is not unfair? Were you not there when I told Matt to allow me handle the refund? What did he say? He refused. He refused totally. Now you say I have to collect the phone. Go and collect it.
He's going to pay me for everything. I don't care. He's going to pay me for every damn thing.
Your mother will go and collect the money for you.
It's quite unfair. They will pay it.
Massive Doka. I have purposely remained speechless since the demise of my mother. And I refuse telling anyone the cost of my mother's death. I guess you're happy now.
Nkechi, you are right. I have equally remained silent. Because if there's anyone that should know about the cause of my wife's death, it should be you. Because you slept on the same bed with her that very night. And so, I'll ask you now, what happened to my wife?
It is you and your shameless love at Chioma that caused the death of my mother. And I will not rest until her soul rests in peace. I will not.
Are you sure of this threat, Nkechi?
Who am I to threaten you? Who am I? But in my own little way, I will prove to you that even a grain of rice can shake the scale.
Since it has become obvious that you have lost every respect for me as your father, I will watch you as you carry out this threat.
Chioma, you see, for the rest of your miserable day on this planet, I must make sure that you suffer.
Mother, please, I am sorry. My only crime was just to fall in love, and I have apologized for it. I'm sorry.
You're sorry for falling in love with an old, wretched, poor, useless and stupid man. Chioma, you're a colossal lust. And I, Victoria, I caused the day I conceived you in my stomach.
Mother, please don't say that. Mother, I am sorry, please. I'm sorry you're disappointed in me. It wasn't intentional.
No, stop. The punishment you're melting on Chioma is too much. What has she done? Has she done anything that ladies our age hasn't done anything?
How dare you challenge me when I correct my daughter? What concerns you there? Are you stupid? Have you lost it?
Mom, don't try to slap me again. What has Chioma done?
What will you do?
What has she done? What has she done? She only fell in love with a man of her choice. She's old enough to make her choice.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, David. I don't blame you. Yes, I don't blame you for insulting me because your father is the one I blame. And this useless girl here called Chioma. They are the people that gave you the impetus, the audacity to insult me. But don't worry. I will come to you. And you will see what I will do to you. Go to my room now!
Mother, please, I'm sorry. Please.
Mr. George, take it from me. I am going to lock her up in my room. Let me see what you or any other person will do about it. Let's see. Get out of my sight.
Mother, please, I am sorry. Please.
I said, go right to my room.
Mother, please.
Get inside!
No. No.
Where's your mother? Where's your mother? If you don't know who your mother is, I will throw her for you on the ground. Useless.
Ezoha frowned at your involvement in the scandal and frown over the involvement in the sudden death of your wife by the disgraceful attitude of yours.
Sinze, but why didn't you defend me before, Ezoha? You should have defended me to say I was really disappointed in myself.
But I did.
I told you everything.
I did, but he wouldn't listen. Yes, he insisted you stood so low to have slept with a girl who is at the age mate of your daughter, who happens to be also your daughter's friend. Too bad.
And that has cost the death of my beloved wife. You see, I've lost everything.
That is the price you have to pay. Yes, because he who fetches firewood at has ant has invited lizard for a feast. Now, Ezoha have instructed that you hand over all the palace documents under your custody to me.
Isn't that too harsh? Isn't that too harsh? Hey. Hey. Hey.
Well, there is nothing I can do about that. Yes.
Please! Don't shoot! Come on, mother! Come on, mother!
Hey! 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 What is going on? What is happening? Hey! What's going on to? At your age, you choose to be spoiling small girls in your community, destroying their destinies. But you know what? This is your last episode.
Whoa. Alligator, we are paid an hire to shoot this man. Why are you romancing him with words?
Hey, wait. I have for you. Who could eliminate this man now? Move on. Time no day.
Listen up. Listen up. I remain the boss here.
Will you allow me, as the leader of this gang, to do this job the way I choose to do it so that we will not fall into trouble?
I'm worried because of Kelebe. They feel you can't cramp us here now because of information we get.
Yes, so based on that Congo man, what we will not carry that time.
You see him now.
The man feel use the Kelebe and come dey trust us. We eliminate this thing and move on now. What is this up?
It's okay, it's okay. Old man, you are dying today. But before that, I want you to say your last prayer.
Sharply.
Or your last wish before joining your ancestors.
I don't know who is behind this. But whoever is behind this, anytime he or she falls in love, yes, he or she will die by the gun. Yes. And I want you to take this message to my baby. Take this message to Chioma. Tell her I love her so much. Tell her it's a pity that we could not fulfill what we have planned.
Oh, this man is so stupid! Stop! Alligator, this is not total blackmail. You for let me move that guy else now.
Alligator, my money must be intact. My money, I don't want to hear story for my money. But I'm going to just go eliminate that man now, collect our balance, the match up. I don't want story. I don't get joy you.
Come on, guys. We will kill this man. But before then, there's a story I want to tell you people about this alligator you see today. About love.
I don't care about love. If not love I want, I'll go any hotel, pay any woman for that. Free myself.
See, I don't talk my own, I'm not going to repeat myself again. That is my take.
Okay guys, just give me a listening ear. Ruth, my love. You know I love you so much. And I will always do.
Okay, my love. The people call you alligator. So people out there, you might be a notorious kidnapper, killer, and arm robber. But I will continue to love you.
Wait a minute. So you know this much about me and you still love me?
I know a lot more than this. But you're my heart, my life, and my love. And I'm praying for you to become a better person in the society. Someone I will be proud of. I love you.
Ruth, there's something I want to tell you. I never chose to be a bad egg to the society. But the unjust killing of my father by the people he trusted most made me to be doing all this. But don't worry, my love, I'll change because of you, okay?
I understand. And I love you.
Those guys are coming for me. They are coming for me.
Go and hide. Oh, I'll see that you are not here. Go inside, please.
Hey! That useless ass get a criminal that was there with you. That's the door before I put you on them. You're a liar and a collaborator. Guys, go in there and search for him. What? Come on, what are you waiting for? Get in
Watched those boys from my hiding place. Key root. She died in my place all because of love.
What a painful exit of such a beautiful soul. Can love be this powerful?
Ruth died. Ruth died for a brutal murderer like me. A killer. A malicious killer. A notorious armed robber. A worthless being like me. My heart bleeds.
May her soul rest in peace. She chose to die for you. She chose to die for an armed robber who is still living today, committing more atrocities. Well, let's go and kill that man and go collect our money. I need to like too much talk. Wait. What kind of person be this one now? You never get sympathies at all. Okay, tell me now, what did that old man do you when you want to mention say they kill him? Hey, wait. Madi, what did they do you? See, coordinate yourself. What did they man? I said make you friend now. See. Come on, die. Come on. What did you worry to now?
Victoria, release my daughter to come under your shield for a week now and you expect me to keep quiet. I want you to go in there, release her or I invite the police. Now, release her now.
Doctor, wait down on my steps and I'm waiting for you to do your work. Because I, Victoria, will not release that girl. It's better I die than...
Well, why are you this stubborn? Listen to that and go and release my sister. She has been there for over a week now without food or water, not even change of clothes.
David, I know that your father has taught you in many ways to, at the slightest opportunity to disrespect me. But let me tell you, you are now a man. So why don't you go there, use your power as a man and break that door that I, Victoria, locked. Let's see if hell will not be lost right now.
Victoria, you are putting laws into your hands. Yes, you claim to be educated. Go in there and release my daughter before I find the police. You will be in terrible mess if I put a call 5 minutes away from the police station. You will be taken to the police and that will be the end of your
And
plan.
I said I will not release her.
Oh!
I will not open that door until she denounces her stupid feelings towards that local urchin.
What is your business? Choma is a cool lady.
She's at liberty to choose whoever she likes. Choose any kind of life she likes. See, I've been keeping quiet. I've been purposely keeping quiet. If you don't release, I will break that door. Mom, I will break that door. Go and release my sister.
Ah! How dare you! David, I said, how dare you touch me like that? Are you insane? Have you lost it? Is something wrong with you, or you are wrong with something?
Mom, let me warn you. If you ever raise your hands against me ever again, I will tell you that you're not my mother.
Eh? Yes. So it has gotten to this?
Dad, I will not. Just look at Mom. Have you not been here when this woman will be telling me that she's not my mother? I'm not apologizing to her. Let her release Choma. What is it? Why is everybody keeping quiet? She's not doing anything. She does whatever she likes. Is she the alpha in this house? Victoria! Victoria! Look at this time. I am remain the first son of this family. What is even happening? No! See! Release her!
Okay. I want to ask you for the last time. Are you saying you don't have hands in the kidnap of Mr. Udoka?
Papa, stop putting words into my mouth. I've told you this before. I don't have a business with that your Iche Udoka. He has not done anything to me now. After all, I don't blame him for dating Choma. He didn't force her to date him.
Matt, you have to tell your father the whole truth you know about Udoka's sudden disappearance. Because Zezoha has ordered that deities be brought into this community and placed in every strategic place in this community.
Mama,
and you know the penalty attached to that.
Mama, stop embarrassing me with this your accusation. Stop it, please. I just made it clear I don't have a business with the Udoka. It is Choma's father I have a business with. So stop these accusations, please. I don't like it.
Okay, let it be. Okay. Let it be. But I want you to understand that the community is sitting on gunpowder and it will explode any time over the kidnap of Mr. Udoka. Any moment.
It will explode, Papa. It's none of my business.
Where are you running to?
I want to go and gather more information.
Information about what?
Let me tell you, as I'm speaking with you right now, there is fire on the mountain. Dr. Wisdom's household is on fire.
On fire over what?
Now cut this your pretense now. Every time you be pretending. So you don't know the latest. You don't know what is trending in this community. Do you know that Mazi Udoka has been kidnapped? Hey. And Choma being locked up in the room by her own mother.
Easy. In Asika. Eh? Where did you get all these informations from? Eh? And what does the above mentioned have to do with Dr. Wisdom's family being on fire?
Oh yeah, wait, let me tell you. See, do you know that Choma's mother, Madam Victoria, locked her own daughter, Choma, inside the room for a whole week. 1 week. Hey.
If not that you used to insult me, and I'm not in the mood for this your insult. But why? Explain to me, eh? Give me more gist. What happened?
I should tell you. Tomorrow now you'll be the one to call me gossip.
Oh yeah. Don't catch me.
Okay.
Gist me, what happened?
See, let me tell you, do you know that aside from locking Choma inside the room, her husband now became angry, very mad. He now said, open the door. Madam Victoria said, no, I will not open it. The man now said, come, my son, go there, open that door. The boy now went there. He broke the door. He brought her out. But on getting there, the girl faint to go. Not just that though. Do you know that she's pregnant with Mazudoka's child?
Shh! Choma is pregnant.
Yes.
Hey!
Be shouting small. Not tomorrow you say I told you.
It's you that told me. I will shout.
sorry.
Hi.
That girl is wicked.
How come?
Hey.
Calista. Someone is pregnant. Are you a being or you are human?
Come, let's be going first.
But you want to know?
That girl.
Someone is pregnant. You are looking for Shebi clothes.
Inspector, please proceed.
As we're still on call from the strange caller named Alligator, we heard gunshots and cries of pain, so we rushed to the incident.
Please don't be distracted.
No, I'm not distracted at all. So as we got to the incident, we discovered a lifeless body of a man named Smalley. They say he was gunned down by one of the gang members. They were arguing whether to eliminate Udoka or to keep him alive in the den. But we have arrested the 2 remaining kidnappers and they are in our custody now. So we saved Mr. Udoka.
On the interrogation of kidnappers, the kidnappers, they mentioned your wife. She is the one that give them money to kill Mr. Udoka because he impregnated your daughter.
Can you imagine?
Mom!
Choma, is your mother aware that you are pregnant?
Yes, Dad. As a matter of fact, that's why she locked me up and said that the baby in my womb would die of starvation.
Hey! Victoria, you are an antichrist.
Devil incarnate, Dad. Devil incarnate.
Don't say that to me. What do you mean? I was only trying to defend our daughter. Eh? How can this local urchin, this old heart, get her pregnant? How can 2 of them marry? It's not possible.
Victoria, I need you to keep quiet because whatever you are saying now is being recorded. I hope you are aware.
Chioma, please could you tell me the reason you were rejecting young suitors that came your way?
Dad, it
and
wasn't...
stick to Udoka here, who is an old man.
It wasn't intentional. I love Udoka and Udoka loves me. Dad, he pampers me. All I've ever gotten from the young folks is nothing but heartbreak. They use me and dump me. And most importantly, I find peace in him.
Gene, what is Udoka, do you possess the qualities aforementioned by my daughter? And are you promising me that you will take care of her? Yes. Gene, step forward. Today, I'm giving my daughter's hand in marriage to you, believing that you will take care of her, cherish her, and love her. In addition, I am going to give you 5 million naira to start your new life.
Dr. Wisdom, are you sure you know what you are doing? Papa! What is the meaning of this?
You should be ashamed.
Hey,
Look at
yes,
this.
yes. Let's kill you. Leave my hand.
Take her away.
Stop dragging my hand. City officer, none of you should touch me.
Move.
I'm not afraid of you. And I'm not even afraid of you. Don't push me. You will see what will happen. Look at Auntie. You are not going to marry my daughter. You are an old bitch.
Officer, don't you have handcuff? Cuff her hands. Cuff her hands and make sure.
I know there isn't age for this love. I know there isn't age. Now my happiness here, now him I want to. Anything where they like here, made them talk. You see for this love, no going back. I'm in love, I'm in love. For this love, no going back. I'm in love, I'm in love. For this love.